Hello, this is Jackie with JNN Reviews, and today I am glad to review this hyaluronic acid serum provided by ZealSea. It was a sample, so thank you, ZealSea, for the sample. And is 1 ounce of hyaluronic acid. So this is how it looks. It has a beautiful presentation. I love it. It's like baby blue. You see it, the product is clear. I would like to demonstrate it here on my hand. And what you want to do is put it on your skin, 2 to 3 drops on clean face, and work from the middle to the outside. And this is what it's going to do. It's going to plump your skin. It's going to increase hydration because it also has vitamin B5, which helps a lot with hydration. It's going to lock in moisture, diminish the fine lines, the wrinkles, and it's going to plump your face, leave it ready for either makeup or leave it ready for just moisturizer. I love the product. I like the presentation. I like what it does for the skin. It's good for all skin types. I hope you check it out. Thank you for watching my video.